I really like this cake. It's one of these cakes that I just go to over and over. Sour cream cake with mixed berry compote. I'm Chef Valerie Gordon from Valerie Confections in Los Angeles. This is one of those recipes that I always hand off to people. It always comes out delicious. I start with butter. Beat the butter until it's soft and fluffy. Add in a full cup of FAGE Sour Cream to really infuse the flavor. It's super creamy, and the level of richness makes a very moist and delicious cake. Add in the dry ingredients and lemon zest that really infuses a gentle citrus flavor. And very quickly, you see this batter start to come together. You just want the gentle golden color around the top rim of the cake. Compote is essentially a gently cooked fruit topping. I like to use blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and a half a cup of sugar. We really want the true flavor of the berries to shine through against that cake. Gently heat and pour it on top of the raw berries. Mix all of that together and you've got your compote. For the whipped topping, start with heavy cream and 1 cup of FAGE Sour Cream. FAGE Sour Cream is non-GMO project verified. It's made with simple ingredients and it comes together beautifully. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and mix until it whips up cloud-like. People get really excited when you bring them a homemade dessert. And this is one of my favorite cakes to make. It's rich and incredibly moist. You get delicious little bites of fruit happening, and that touch of acidity from the FAGE Sour Cream is a great complement to the cake.